I don't even remember where I got the inspiration for this video, but it wasn't even related to homeschool, but as soon as I heard it, I knew that it was a thing that I wanted to come here and I wanted to share as a calm, quiet, gentle reminder. Welcome back to Making Everyday Magic. My name is Shanna. If you are new here, we're a homeschooling family of 4. We are in our 9th year of homeschooling. And I have a 4th grader and an 8th grader. And today I want to talk with you about how small is worthy. Before we go any further, please scroll down, hit the big red subscribe button, turn on the bell for notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, you can find me down in the comments or over on Instagram at Making Everyday Magic. I don't remember where I saw this, but it was recent and it was in relation to something else. But as soon as I saw it, heard it, read it, whatever it was, I knew that this was applicable to my role as a parent and as a homeschooler, and that I wanted to come here and share it with you. We're in a season of burnout. We're in a season of stress. We are constantly made to feel like we have to justify what we do in our kids' education, in our homes, in our lives, in our Instagram posts, and our Pinterest boards. And everything has to be bigger and better. And my home is so big, and my car is so new, and my vacations are so elaborate, and all of the things. And I think it leads to competition, which is just no good, never healthy. But it leads to a feeling that if what you do is small, it is not good. It is not enough. It is not worthy. And I want to remind you that small is worthy. And there is nothing that will ever teach you that lesson better than a toddler who is discovering things in the world for the first time. But if you're like me and you haven't had a toddler in far too long, then you might need the same reminders that I do, especially when it comes to homeschool and learning with and for and alongside your children. Not everything has to be big, and I'm at a crossroads in our journey where we are looking at what qualifies for a credit and how many hours is it and is it good enough, honors and AP. And this is really probably why it resonated with me, looking at biology for what will be my 9th grader next year. And there's an option for biology. And then there's an option for honors and for AP. And so how can I get it to AP? Should we start with AP? How can I get it to honors? Should I start with honors? Instead of just recognizing that I can check the box without also having to give it glitter and fireworks. Like, small is worthy. And once I heard this and it resonated with me and I sat with it and I thought about it in relation to, for whatever reason, biology specifically, and really sat with it, I started thinking about the other ways that this is applied to my life and my year and my home and learning and school and testing. Sometimes, like, good enough is good enough, and done is better than perfect, and happy, curious learners. That's my goal. If I can teach a kid to read and then they want to read and they want to find answers, my goal is to help them learn how to do the thing, not to be able to just do the thing. I want them to know how to find the information they need, so that is kind of a, teach a man to fish kind of thing. They can always go and find the answers. And thinking about it in relation to our home, we made a big change. We downsized and we moved and we uprooted everything. And it has been so much better and so much more good than I could have expected. Small is worthy. A butterfly, the largest one is 11 inches across. They are beautiful. They are magic, right? Think about a cell and the spark of life and all of the things that go into what is good. Rarely, without our own perception of it, is it bigger, better, more amazing, more beautiful. How wonderful is it to sit and get a flower? I mean, I know that I'm going deep in the feels here. And part of it is probably that I do have a kid going into high school and a kid who does amazing things and big things. There's no reason that every single thing she does has to be giant. It has to be big. There's no reason it has to be honors. And I think we forget that in the pursuit of greatness and in a pursuit of proving ourselves and giving validity to what we do and the efforts that we have taken to show others that we are Pinterest perfect and Instagram worthy and good and righteous and wonderful in what we are doing, and we deserve to be here and we deserve to give our kids this way of life, and we prove our existence, especially as women. We forget that biology is biology. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Especially, I mean, one of the things I'm stressing, biology of all things is the thing that I'm holding on to that I'm stressing about. And she is unlikely to go into a science-based field. So it is such a waste of processes and thought powers. So when you come here in a month, 2 months, 3 months, and you see what we're using for biology, remember this video. Small is worthy. What we do, while it may seem small, in our homes, for our children, for their learning, allowing them to be curious, allowing them to not work themselves into an early grave, because by taking them out of that rat race that is brick and mortar, traditional scheduled public school, you provide them, in all likelihood, with an amount of downtime that their peers don't have. You give them open-ended play. You give them a true desire to embrace and enjoy their home. Home is great. We don't need to look, further than our front door? What is the movie where the lesson learned, if I ever need, I won't go further than my front door? I don't remember. If I can remember, I'll put it right here because now it's going to drive me nuts. That the lesson learned is that I won't go looking further than my front door. It's something where she goes away and comes back, wakes up. Oh, Wizard of Oz! God, it's my favorite movie. Come on, Shanna. Okay. It is important to remember that small is worthy and small is good, especially in this world of extravagance and in this American way of life that says that we have to earn, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 figures to be happy, that we have to be able to have the latest thing and the giant car and all of the big house and every little thing that our little hearts could ever possibly desire for that temporary dopamine hit. Small is good. A walk outside is glorious. Sun on your face can be enough. Small is good and small is worthy. So I know that I needed this reminder at a time when, quite honestly, life feels big. It feels big. It feels there's a lot of gravity behind the decisions that we're making right now and a lot of stress. And I need to remember to stay grounded in this moment. I have 2 to 4 years of entertaining my children through their education left. And I want to prioritize and remember learning is the goal, not the test that comes at the end, not getting into college, not sending them off into the real world. Right now, I have an opportunity to sit with them and to grow in the good and wonderful and small things of life. And I hope that I do this in a manner that shows them that that is truly what matters. I hope I can do this in a manner that shows them that it is good enough, that if they earn just enough money to eat and live and they make the world a better place, that is good. That if they try things and they fail, that is good. That if they go out into the world to share the gifts, whatever unique and wonderful gifts and talents that they have, that is good. That if they can go to sleep at night with a happy heart and a light conscience, that's good enough. If they can share what they have with the world, enjoy their own days, but bring joy to the days of others, that is good. And not only is it good, it is wonderful, it is good enough, and honestly should be the goal. So no, I am not worried that my kids are going to go out and earn hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. I am worried that they go out, they're good people, they share what they have with those who might need it, and that they can be happy in what they do. that they always feel like they can share that with me, that no thing they ever want to tell me is ever too small for me to celebrate with them. Small is good and small is worthy. And as I am aging and the mother of girls who are aging, it is becoming increasingly important for me to have these reminders. And I'm feeling the pressure of the end is near. And I do not like that one bit. But I hope that they always value that and take it forward. Small is good and small is worthy. Little or car, if it's good, if it gets you where you need to go, you're still going places. I think especially in this day and age, we can all use it. We can use it. We can use that touch point that says, yes, you are wonderful, you are enough. And together we can just look at a butterfly, pick a flower, enjoy the sun. As always, guys, I hope that you found any of this helpful, entertaining, or informative. If you did, please scroll down, hit the big red subscribe button, turn on that bell for notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, you can find me right on down in the comments or over on Instagram at Making Everyday Magic. While you are down there, do me a favor. Let me know, did this resonate with you at all? Sometimes I come here and I share the things that I need to hear, and I don't know that they always are received as well as I hope, but I hope that you can hear my intent in this video. And I also hope that it does resonate with at least one of you. So if it did, let me know. And if you have something to add to this or something to share or a revelation that you had, they're so simple. They are common knowledge, but sometimes saying the thing and hearing the words, even if you've heard it 1,000 times, it could be just in the manner at the right time that you needed to hear it. And for me, I always feel like it resonates. So let me know, what is yours? What is your aha moment that one shouldn't be, but also is, and is profound and simple and worthy and good and small? Maybe it's not even big. I'd love to hear it. Bye, guys.